Good girl. Super. So organise him. And I want energy, but not speed. Really nice. Good girl. You see, now we're getting 6 inches more jump out of him. Good girl. Keep your whip in one hand. And tall. Tired. And stay tall. You're tired. His lights are going, but don't get running. Good. Give him a little pat.